Hi, my name's Greg, and today I've come back to the Norwich Science Festival here at the Forum, and today we're looking at the Nature Day. If you didn't see yesterday's video, it was all about the Zoology Day. Make sure you check that out, but for now, let's go and see what we can find.
Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm from the River Care and Beach Care project, which is a partnership between Keep Britain Tidy, the charity, and Angling Water. So we work with volunteers around the region, supporting them with river cleanups, beach cleanups, and doing habitat and conservation work as well. And today we're here at the Science Festival. We've got our marine plastic kayak. So this is a kayak that is made from plastics that have been collected on beaches and then moulded to create this lovely thing. And our volunteers are in turn now using this kayak to collect more litter, more plastic from our rivers and estuaries, making a nice kind of virtuous circle.
So my name's Georgie, I'm from the Norfolk Wildlife Trust, and we're here today at the Science Festival teaching children and adults a little bit about our project called Keeping the Balance. So what we're aiming to do is restore some of the Broads back to what it used to be like with the lovely clear water and the freshwater plants. So how we're doing this is we're using, well, water fleas that are already in the water. They like to eat the algae that's making the water in the Broads murky, okay, and this is originally from the runoff from agriculture, from the fertilisers in the water, and also from the sewerage that went into the Broads. So at the moment, a lot of it is green and murky, but with the help of water fleas eating that algae, hopefully it'll become lovely and clear. And we've already done it in cockshoot Broads, and how we're doing that is with a process called biomanipulation. So some fish are being relocated from the Broads, and the fish that eat the water fleas and also the fish that feed on the bottom of the water. So some of those fish will be relocated into different parts of the Broad to help clear up certain areas, and we've actually got some funding now for it out Ranworth Broad. So yeah, this is a bit children can look at the water fleas under the microscope and learn a little bit about that process.
Hi there, I'm Isabel and I work for the Norfolk Wildlife Trust. I'm Engagement Officer at the Norfolk Wildlife Trust, and basically that means that I go to events, I run family activities and also work with schools. All our work involves connecting people to Norfolk's wildlife and trying to impart a caring sort of relationship with that wildlife. And so making people inspired about wildlife and also encouraging them to connect with wildlife and do something good for wildlife, essentially, to preserve it and save it, look after it for the future, for future generations. So here today at the Science Festival here in Norwich at the Forum, and I am doing two activities where we're matching natural history items with their names. And also sort of leaves with their names, and these activities mean that people can touch these natural items and are then able to recognise these when they see them out in the field in nature. There we go, that's what we're doing today.
Well, it's been another really interesting day, and I want to thank everybody who took the time to speak to me today. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Please come back for the next one, and I'll see you then. Goodbye.